Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 GLE 350 4MATIC. This one is a Selenite Gray. Underneath here is a 3.5 V6 with 302 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one does come with the accessory chrome package with chrome fins on the hood, chrome door handle inserts. For wheels we've got 19-inch 5-spoke alloy wheels, brushed aluminum running boards, a black MB text interior with an anthracite poplar wood trim, sunroof, GLE 350 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, trailer hitch, clean set of floor mats, fold down 60/40 seats, cargo cover, premium 1 package with blind spot assist, Harman Kardon sound system, memory seats, heated steering wheel, smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, steering wheel controls, paddle shifters for extra performance, navigation, parking assistance package with a surround view backup camera with sensors, hard keys for media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, dynamic selects for different driving patterns, touchpad and wheel for our infotainment center. This GLE has 28,885 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLE 350 4MATIC, visit us at feldmanimports.com.